What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Ramblin' Garage. A couple weeks ago I did a 2-inch leveling puck on the 2020 Ram behind me, and I had leveling pucks through KSP Performance. In that video I told you guys that I had picked them over, what was it, MotoFab or one of the other brands, because I thought they were a little bit cheaper and I wanted to try them out. When I got them, I was actually pretty pleasantly surprised of their fit and finish, just the quality and the workmanship of them when I got them. Put them on and I've had no issues, and I love how the truck looks. I'll put a picture up right now of how it looks. But all in all, I love how it looks. It rides the same, and I was just satisfied with them. So I reached out to the guys at KSP Performance, and I asked them if they'd be interested in doing a little collab on a spacer set for my wheels. One thing I don't like about this truck, let me turn around and show you, is that if you look down the side here, the wheels aren't really flush, especially in the back. So they're pretty close, but not all the way. And I do think it looks a little more aggressive when you got a little poke of the wheels on a truck. So they got back to me within a couple hours and said, yeah, we'd love to collab. They appreciated the video that I did last time, and which is nice because I appreciated the product that they sent out. I don't think you can see it up in here, but they're just a puck set that go on top of the strut. I do like what they sent me, so I wanted to do it again. So if we look over here on top of the Rambler, we've got a set of wheel spacers, 1.5 inch, from KSP Performance. Well, I used one of the other boxes to ship something, so that's why those are out right now. But just unboxing them, all this stuff was actually towards the bottom, but they have some nice lug nuts here. Get them all out. And everything just looks to be packaged very nicely, as you would expect. But everything looks good. So those are those ones. This is what it looks like outside of the box. It's just, I believe it's anodized aluminum. Fit and finish on them is very, very nice. You get their logo there. You go check them out online. All in all, I think they look pretty good. So what we're going to do, so we're going to take these out, we're going to jack the truck up, we're going to pull the front tires off first, then I'm going to flip around and do the rears, and we'll see how they look. I meant to bring my key. I don't like locking lug nuts, so I was going to change that out, but now I'm getting sidetracked. So we're going to jack this thing up, we'll pull the tires off, the wheels off, and we'll put the spacers on. These are designed specifically for the Rams. Let's see if I have a, I thought they had a barcode on them somewhere, but maybe I was mistaken. But these are supposed to be designed specifically for the Ram, so I will put the link to their page in the description below. Just take a look. They have nice, looks like grade 10 to 12 bolts and studs, aircraft aluminum forged spacers, and they have a real nice finish on them, as you can see. I don't know how close up I can get to show you that, but the finish is very, very nice. So I just want to start out by thanking KSP Performance for sending these out. Let's put them on the truck and see how they look. All right, guys, so we can just look at initial fit and finish here. We got the wheel and tire off, obviously, but these are just going to go right on here. And you can see that the studs don't stick out past, so we're not going to have any issues mounting our wheels on there. I will say that KSP, they send through some red Loctite or thread sealer, so we're going to put that on. Just a tiny bit if you haven't used it before. You just put a little tiny dab on there, and as you put the nut on, it'll spread out and it'll seal. The red stuff is good because it seals well, it's high temp, and you can get off the bolts with hand tools, so no worries there. So we're going to put some of this on, and we'll put the spacer on and the wheel on and see what it looks like. Just for reference, I put a dab on there about the end of this. It's real small. Put the spacers on. Provided lug nuts. You use the provided ones that they give you here so that you have the factory ones on the outside still. So factory lug nuts are 7/8. This guy is just 3/4. so I had a little bit too big of a... All right, one down, and finish the other side, and we'll flip the truck around and take care of the back. All right, so fronts are done. I think they look real good from about here. That might have to grow on me, we'll see. Same deal over here. But I like a little poke from there. So I'm gonna flip the truck around and do the backs real quick, and then we'll pull it out and see what it looks like. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like there and get a little close up on the hub there. I think it looks nice. As I said, it doesn't poke past here too much, so you don't have any issues with stock wheels. And yeah, we're ready to put the final one on. Got the fronts on. Come over here. Passenger side, got the rear on. The more I look at it, the more I like it. At first I was like, I don't know, but I think it looks pretty tough. So we're gonna go put the driver's side on. We'll get it pulled out and we'll take a few kind of cinematic photos and take a look at it. Alright guys, so there you have it, the KSP Performance. Trying to grab the box. Wheel spacers, 1.5 inches on my 2020 Ram. I wasn't sure about it at first, but I'm really, it's starting to grow on me. Just like looking here, like it just looks better. I hope you guys liked the little cinematic that I did, but I really want to thank KSP Performance and the folks over there for sending these over. Super easy install and really nice hardware with these. I'm happy to have them on my truck. Just took it around the block. Actually just took it to the dog park with the pups and didn't have any issues. Didn't expect any issues, but it was flawless. So I want to thank those guys for sending these over. I will put the link in the description. Check them out if you haven't tried them out yet. Be sure to do so. Really appreciate them sending this over, and this is a nice little collaboration with them. So thank you guys if you guys are watching this, and I will see you guys all in the next video.